Hey guys, welcome back to a new episode of Uncharted 2 Among Thieves. Today we have a special guest with us, and his name is Lightning1016.
Hello everybody!
Hello. So today we're going to play some online with him, multiplayer.
Yeah, I don't know exactly what we're gonna do.
I think I have a good idea.
So, it's basically up to Ratchetrpg01 to decide what we're gonna do until he invites me to his game.
Yeah. As you can tell, you can see that we have a new TV, which is good for recording.
It's better than any of those, glass TV, old, archaic thingies.
The blocky TV. Turn the volume up.
TV! Woo!
Okay, let's see. Invite. Where do I invite you? Custom game.
To party up and then select me.
Custom game, right?
Yep, custom game.
Okay. Custom game, friendly fire on or off?
Depends what we're gonna do.
Well, what is it normally set as?
Off.
Okay. I'm on Team Villains.
Alright, I'm a hero.
Party up. Send it to you. And
Apparently you're in my party now.
how are you the party leader? How did you get party leader? I'm so confused. What'd you do? Okay. Party up.
Join mine.
Invite to party. Invite to party. Send. Up. Send. Okay.
Party invite, join. Joining party.
Okay, custom game. Okay, we ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Okay. Okay, guys.
Wait, it put me as a villain.
What?
It put me as a villain.
I'm Team Villains.
Yeah, it put me as a villain.
Oh.
And let me just check to see my skins. Okay. Alright, I'm ready.
Okay, let's go. Let's do this. Can't believe we're already 2 minutes in.
Wow.
Yeah.
That long?
Yeah. Okay. So today we're doing something called Cops and Robbers. Hello, Eric.
I'll be the robber because the cop didn't work out for me last time.
Yeah, it failed for you. So I get the rifle. No, not the micro. The Desert 5. Do I have moss?
I am gonna take the micro MM just because I like it so much.
Okay.
Alright, I'll help you take out these propane bottle things.
I thought there were 4 before.
No, there was always 3.
Oh, I thought there was 4. Okay. We have rules set for this game.
I'm gonna go put this one near the cars.
Okay. So I'm just gonna go into person mode here. We cannot use the following: the RPG,
Or the gal.
the GAU, or the M32 hammer. Any other weapon is legit, and you can use it. Grenades are only allowed for cop.
Okay.
So I'm gonna get to my stand.
That propane tank is behind the car, so let me put it in front of the car.
Okay. I actually want to do something before we start. Put it in front of the car.
Alright, there's the propane right there.
Okay, ready? Ready? Stand back. Ah, dang, I missed. Hold on. Oh, yeah! Like a boss.
That'll bring in good reviews.
Yeah.
Destroying public property.
Destroying other cars. Okay, hold on. Let me get my bullets back.
And then, now go to your hideout.
It's not a hideout. It's a lookout post.
Or whatever.
The only thing is we only got 2 grenades, and that kind of is sad.
The campaign, you get 4.
Well, yeah. It's dumb.
It's like, why make it less for online? And now the car is all gray when it's on fire. All the paint is gone.
Oh, it is. Yeah. I like the sniper scope. It's pretty nice.
Alright, you ready?
I think I'm ready. Yeah.
Alright. I'm going to start in 3, 2, 1.
What a nice, peaceful day. Hey, there's a guy walking. Wait a minute, is that a gun on his back? I'm gonna keep a look at him. Trust this guy. Wait a minute, he's going towards the weapons. Ah!
No! What was that for?
I'm a terrible shot. Can't believe how terrible of a shot I am. I missed 4 bullets off you. Ah. See, I'm a terrible shot.
I don't have any guns on me. Don't shoot.
He's rolling.
No.
He's Rick rolling.
No.
He's Rick rolling.
Me. Just let me walk. I'm an innocent bystander.
I don't trust you.
I'm packing her sleeve.
Don't take it. Don't take it. You took it.
Riot shield.
Ah.
Micro M. Bullets. Bullets are fun. Beep, beep. Oh no, grenade! You missed me by a mile.
Dang it.
You missed me again.
Grenades don't go that far.
Ow.
Grenades don't go that far, sir. I'm gonna miss you.
Gotta reload.
Remember, grenades are only for cops.
I know. I heard you the first time.
Oh crap, he's gonna kill me. He's gonna kill me. He's gonna kill me. He's gonna kill me. Yeah. Well, at least I killed him 3 times.
Guess what? I annihilated you.
Or was it 2? 2 or 3 times?
I don't know, honestly.
Dang it. Am I in tense movement or am I in another movement?
I just ditched my M4, wow.
Stealth, walk, relax.
A riot shield for me. I'm just gonna go flat out.
Oh crap.
Ow!
Oh yeah!
You got my gun, how dare you?
I know. Sorry. But I am a
My
cop.
rat shield.
But I am a cop, so deal with it.
I got a propane tank.
I am a bad shot.
Throw this propane tank in the air. Let's go do you. Do. Ow. Ooh. Pick up a wrench.
Boom! Ah.
Ouchie.
Yeah, you could say that again. You know, I'm just gonna go to the M4. I feel like M4ing you.
Ow! You actually hit me!
I know, because I'm a terrible shot. Back to work. Keep doing that.
I'm not here. I'm not here. No, cow! I just dodged that. Ow!
What are you doing?
Bye, shield. I'm so empty.
What?
Ow! Oh!
wasn't even aiming. I wasn't even aiming.
Ouchie, you hurt me.
Well, sorry.
I'm not a bad guy. I'm Drake.
Lies.
Drake from State Farm.
I thought it was Jake from State Farm. You lied. I am a terrible shot.
But how are you managing to kill me?
Because I'm lucky. And plus I have
One
experience.
gun free.
I have experience.
Can I go pay for a gun?
No.
Why not?
However, I do want to make this interesting. Just because I'm the cop. Okay?
No.
I just wanted to do it. I'm sorry. I just wanted to
That
show...
means I get to shoot you once with the RPG.
No, not the RPG. I'm sorry. I'm just sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Hey, you're breaking the rules.
Well, I'm a cop. At least I'm not pulling the RPG on you. Feel lucky. You should feel a bit lucky.
Why?
Because I'm not pulling the RPG on.
That's a terrible shot.
Well, at least I'm gonna kill you. Whatever kills you make you stronger. Bullet rain. Bullet rain. All the bullets rain.
You out of ammo?
No. Maybe. Hilarious.
That's not fair.
What's not fair?
You just picked up with more ammo. Gee, that's not fair.
At least I'm not shooting you right now.
But
Now-
don't suspect anything. I'm just a guy walking.
Okay. Oh, why did I pick up that? No.
Fine, sir. Can I buy a gun?
What
I
type?
need to go hunting.
What type of gun? Oh, a hunting rifle? Sure, here, just take the AK-47 and that's it. That's it.
Oh, I want a shotgun because I'm going hunting.
Oh, okay, well I recommend the Moss 12. It's that silvery gun right there.
Oh, come on!
10 kills. 10 kills. Well, that concludes one episode of this stage. See you guys later. Subscribe to both of our channels, like and comment on the video. Say goodbye, Lightning. Say goodbye.
Goodbye, y'all.
Goodbye, y'all. We'll see you guys next time, because more Uncharted 2. I'm a terrible shot. See you guys later. Goodbye.